Mariners and Padres fans. I'm standing here in Peoria, Arizona, spring home of the San Diego Padres and the Seattle Mariners. The sun is just dipping behind the press box building there, so it's a little dark as I pan inside, but as I come back out, you can see really nice grandstand seating to the third base line. Then as I move out, there is bleacher seating behind box seating down the right field line. They do have box seats going all the way down to the end of the line, and then you get to this lovely, lovely berm area with the all-you-can-eat tent out there in left. Moving around, more berm over here on the right field with a private VIP deck bar area. You can also see the bleachers here down the right field line. And if I pan back a little bit here, you can see that there are box seats in the front. And I'm going to come back around so you can see it's just a beautiful, beautiful field. And luckily, it's a lovely night. The Mariners are hosting the Netherlands of the WBC, so I get to see a little WBC action, see some of the great players that are coming our way from Curacao, Aruba, and the Netherlands.